Problem 3. Okay, given a sub n equals 3n, find recursive rule. So pause the video and solve. So here, okay, let's try this. A sub n is 3n. That is the explicit rule. They wanted us to write the recursive rule. So recursive rule, we need to find a sub 1 and d. Right? To find recursive, we need a sub 1 and we need d. Okay, so how do I find a sub 1? Pause and answer. Okay, so a sub 1, you just have to substitute 1 here. So a sub 1 is 3 times 1. Okay, and a sub 2, so we can find our d, we need another term. So 3 times 2 is 6, right? Okay, so we already know the first two terms of our sequence. So we can find your a sub 1 is 3 and our difference is also 3, because you have to add 3 here. Okay, you can also find your a sub 3. Okay, you can continue that. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 3, 3 times 4, 12. But you don't need that. Okay, so now you can write your recursive. A sub 1 is 3. A sub n equals a sub n minus 1 plus 3 also. Okay, because your a sub 1 is the same as your d. Okay, next, this is our last problem for this one, for this topic. Pause and solve. Okay, so this one is the opposite of the other one. You're given the recursive, you're asked to find the explicit. Here, you were given the explicit, you're asked to find the recursive. Okay, so let's figure this out. Okay, maybe you could figure it out on your own. So, okay, so we know our a sub 1. So explicit rule, this is how it looks like, right? This is the formula. We also need our a sub 1 and our d, which is so easy to see here. It's so visible. This is our a sub 1 and this is our d, right? Because that's the formula. So this is again your a sub 1. Okay, you just put it there. And then this number 2 is your d. Okay, you're done. So your a sub n is negative 4 plus 2 n minus 1. So that will be negative 4 plus 2n minus 2. 2n minus 6 is your answer.